by and take a look at the 2018 Levante. The Maserati Levante is a mid-size crossover which gives drivers a taste of top-end acceleration, comfort, and handling. The crossover also provides the functionality needed to make this luxury vehicle perfect for all drivers and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, navigation system, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, active suspension system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.